Welcome to Lab Survival Guide. Today we're breaking down 5 common mistakes that even seasoned scientists still make, and how to fix them fast. If your gels are unpredictable or your ligations keep failing, this one's for you. Mistake number 5, poor template quality. We trusted an old plasmid, but PCR gave us a smear and ligation gave us nothing. The plasmid was nicked, ethanol contaminated, and had a silent mutation. Bummer. How to fix this? Run it on a gel, repurify the plasmid, and sequence confirm anything older than your lab gloves. Mistake number 4, incompatible restriction sites. Your efficient enzyme cuts your insert in half. Internal sites sabotage your plan, and poor overhangs kill ligation. What to do? Simulate digestion, change enzymes, silent mutate internal sites and validate overhangs. Enzymes don't care how clever you were. Mistake number 3, wrong insert to vector ratio. Someone used a 20:1 insert to vector ratio just to be safe. Result? Concatenated inserts, ghost colonies, and wasted sequencing. Use molar ratio up to 5:1, calculated with this formula or online tool. Your future self will thank you. Mistake number 2, transformation issues. Low efficiency cells, old stocks, or toxic genes will fail your transformation. Use high efficiency cells, include proper controls like uncut plasmid and no DNA, and don't skip recovery. Your cells are not superheroes. Mistake number 1, GC-rich or repetitive sequences. GC-rich regions stall amplification, while repeats cause slippage. And now, add DMSO or betaine, or add single-strand binding protein. Switch to polymerases designed to overcome secondary structures or redesign primers. That's all for now. Thanks for watching Lab Survival Guide. If this helped or made you rethink your cloning setup, give it a like and subscribe. I'm still refining the format, so please drop your feedback in the comments. It helps me improve, and hopefully helps you too. And yes, the cat is still judging me from the windowsill.